Now we're going to look at how to prepare a Pareto chart. Okay. Pareto chart, remember, there are two y-axis values. It's a combo chart. And then another thing is the frequency distribution that is charted on one side. Okay, it should be organized with the largest frequency first, and then the next largest, and so on. So your data should first be organized by descending order of frequency, and then you plot that and the cumulative percentage frequency, cumulative percentage, okay, as a line. Okay, now let's go to the Excel file. Now we want a Pareto chart for this summary table of risk. Now you see the frequencies are already in descending order, so we don't need to reorganize. It actually comes already prepared for a Pareto chart. So what we want is the risk low, average, and high on the x-axis. You want frequency as one y-axis and cumulative percentage as the second y-axis. Okay, now to prepare the Pareto chart, we'll start with the cumulative percentage first. So highlight the cumulative percentage. And remember, the cumulative percentage will have to be a line. So insert a line graph like that. So that's your first y-axis value. And now we want to include the frequency. So go to select data. So with your graph selected, add. Okay. Now you add frequency as, so that's the name, and here is this series value, which is that. Okay. So now we have the second y-axis added. Okay. Now we'll insert the x-axis categories, low, average, and high. Okay. Now, one thing we need to do before anything else is to move frequency to the top and then the cumulative percentage next. So frequency should be the first one and then the cumulative. And after that, you go to change chart type and make it combo chart. Okay. So now we have frequency and the cumulative percentage. Now we want a separate y-axis for the cumulative percentage. So select that. Okay, so now the cumulative percentage has a separate axis. The frequency has separate axis. Okay, so now we have a Pareto chart, but needs formatting. So you can change the secondary y-axis to go only up to 100%. It cannot be more than 100%. So change the maximum to 1. Okay, then move the Pareto chart here. Okay. Now this is frequency and this is cumulative percentage. Okay, and that's the Pareto diagram. Yeah, and we will talk more about Pareto diagram and why it is. It is used mainly in quality control, and in production management class we would talk a lot more about Pareto diagram than here.